Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Select pen tool and choose path. Select the teeth. Press Ctrl plus Enter. Selecting the teeth, add a hue saturation. Choose yellow. Then selecting the eyedropper, choose yellow color from the teeth. Under the mask option, feather 02 plus 147. Increase saturation 02 plus 3 and lightness 02 plus 68. Choose accordingly to get the best result. Add a curves from below. Follow my curve settings. Add a level from below and set it here accordingly. Also, you can follow my settings. Hope this video help you. Thank you for watching this video.